Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and we are gonna head back to China my friends. I have a beautiful suggestion from my dear friend Kobe and today we are gonna listen three cat eye ladies if I remember correctly, and they are gonna sing Falling Flame, Already Gone and Nowhere. These three beautiful lady gonna sing three beautiful songs. Jike Junyi, Shang Wenjie, and Huang Ling. I'm gonna listen Huang Ling first time if I remember correctly, but I know Jike Junyi and Shang Wenjie of course. Okay, we are gonna watch this video from ZJSTV music channel. Thank you my friends for this video, and we are ready to start. Let's start. Okay. She's gonna play it, right? She's gonna play it. Is it Zitar, if I remember correctly? No. Okay, let's continue. She's gonna play it live. This is impossible. My friends, it started very dreamy, especially when I see that she's gonna play that instrument. It was very shocking for me because I love this kind of traditional instruments. It started very dreamy, it started very soft voice and with other two girls back vocaling. It is an amazing performance. It is an amazing starting of this performance. Let's continue. Wow. So the first girl was Huang Ling, right? This is my first time to listen her. Wow, that was amazing, my friends. And that part, the last part, it was Chinese operatic singing style. Very delicious, very different and beautiful. These girls are shining. Wow, okay, come on, Jike. Already gone.
I am already gone.
Woo. Very jazzy.
I am already gone. I am already gone. I am already gone.
She's looking very cool also. She is looking very hot, but she's looking very cool, very charismatic. They are mixing traditional and modern, my friends, and this is a beautiful jazz music. This is a beautiful music. I love that. I love her charisma, by the way. She is looking so cool.
Just like a fire I can grow, traveling faster than the double barrel gun. Don't need no answers, I'm already in the sun. I'm living living free, I'm a dreamer on the run. Don't wonder what the road take, while everything around you fades. Nothing else will ever matter. Live a life and live in your way. I don't need no one to take the wheel. I'm already spending out of way. 'Cause I'm on my own, I don't need no one. You already there, I'm already gone, I'm already gone.
I'm already gone. What a crazy performance was that, Jike. It was so cool. Jike Junyi. Jike Junyi, right? If I remember correctly. But Huang is playing that bass guitar. It was so delicious also. These girls, these sisters, they're playing many instruments and they are very cool. They're amazing. They are very talented. Okay.
Ready, ready, I'm already gone.
Already gone, already gone, already gone, already gone.
Ready, already gone.
Already gone, already gone, already gone, already gone.
Woo.
在这无依之地，目之所及，放逐一片寂靡。
Shang Wenjie, she's always fascinates me, my friends. She's always thrills me with that dark charisma. I love Shang Wenjie. She's one of my favorites. Her charisma, her aura, I don't know. It feels very dark and it feels very charismatic. Woo! It is very, I don't know what to feel. It is very chaotic, but very dark.
飞，乘着光，狂风无畏，将我包围。
You're like a fire, fire, fire. You're getting higher, higher, higher. Never tire, tire, tire.
光和热缠绕着橙红色，
Set up a fire, fire, fire. You're getting higher, higher, higher. Never tire, tire, tire.
如刹那烟火划过天边的灼热。 时光轮转，无所不在，咫尺桑田沧海。
You're like a fire, fire, fire. You're getting higher, higher, higher. Never tire, tire, tire.
生活着，燃烧着，沸腾着，
Set up a fire, fire, fire. You're getting higher, higher, higher. Never tire, tire, tire.
飞蛾扑火，重生在无尽的沙漠风雨里。
My friends, this is a great idea. I don't know who made them a team, but this team is crazy. This Cat Eye Girl team, Cat Eye Sisters, Three Sisters team. This is crazy. They're amazing together. Is this one performance only, or they are really team for this show? I don't know. I don't know if they have more performances like that because these girls are on fire. These girls are on fire. And she has dark fire. Shang Wenjie, okay.
我重生在无尽的沙漠风雨里澎湃，是自由无处在，渺小的存在，戳破一切阴霾，耀眼的自在，绚烂如火一
So this is the end of the performance, my friends. What a crazy video was that. What a crazy woman. Whew, these women are crazy. These women are on fire. They sang three crazy performances, three crazy songs, and it was amazing. They what they sang? Falling Flame, Already Gone, and Nowhere. Cat Eye, Three Sisters. Jike Junyi, Shang Wenjie, and Huang Ling. All of them was precious. All of these ladies are precious, my friends, but Shang Wenjie is one of my favorites. Her dark charisma, dark chilling charisma is always fascinates me. Thank you, Kobe, for these beautiful suggestions. Thank you, my friends, for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.